Hello everyone, welcome back to mygardenchannel.com's YouTube channel. Today we explore growing roses and potatoes once again. If you're new to the channel or if you're just stopping by, make sure to subscribe to get more video content like this. 7 years ago, this video went viral and it continues to get views today. I simply was trying a science experiment that somebody else was attempting to do, and I had been growing plants for about 12 years prior to making that video, so I had a little bit of experience in what this project was trying to accomplish. But today, I'm going to walk you through this video growing roses and potatoes and talk about what I thought was a challenge at the time, what I would do differently, and the challenges throughout the process. I still believe that this can be done with this one tip I'm going to share with you at the end of the video, but watch the video through as I take you step by step through the process once again. This viral sensation of growing rose cuttings from potatoes actually worked for me for a month or so. Here's what I quickly learned. You will have competition in the growing medium, in the pot itself. Not only will the rose stem try to grow, but the potato will also try to grow. This caused a mess in the pot, and it was hard to work and keep track of the rose stem as the potato shoots were quickly rising up from the potato itself. I was trimming it back almost daily. So my solution to that is simply peel the potato skin off the potato. The skin of the potato is where the shoots will most likely develop. You are not trying to grow a potato, you're simply trying to feed the rose cutting as it tries to root in. As the fight to trim the new potato shoots was an ongoing battle, I noticed growth taking place on the buds of the rose stem. This was very exciting. I believe the rooting hormone really helps to boost growth on the epidermis, which is just the outside layer of the tissue or the stem. This is where the roots will start to form, and it's exactly why you want to remove that layer from the potato. As buds start to grow and leaf out, they get energy from the sunlight. The cloning gel offers a substitute of hormones to help stimulate root growth. The process is called rooting. This is a critical time in the development of the experiment. The timing and everything coming together is crucial because if there is too much leaf and not enough roots, the plant will die. Both the roots and the leaves need to develop simultaneously in order for this to be a success. After a few trial runs, my cuttings would eventually die out in about 2 months. And here's why I believe the rose cutting and the potato failed for me. 2 things. 1, the potato needed peeled. Secondly, this is where the biggest mistake was. I should have drilled completely through that potato. The task of the potato is to feed the plant, but not drilling through it caused suffocation to the cutting. It looked like it was feeding for a short while with the help of the rooting hormone. The stems wanted to root in. There were signs of the stem forming white knobs, which was an exciting thing. Root formation was at the very start, and it was on its way to being successful, but you know the potatoes are hard. There was no room, and the potato could not break down fast enough in the soil. It was like trying to root a plant in a rock. I mean, I've seen some seeds grow in some really odd places, and you wonder, how did that happen? Like in a rock, for instance. However, this is a cutting of a mature plant. In order to get this experiment to work, I believe it is a must to drill through that peeled potato to allow the roots to fully form underneath the potato. Meanwhile, the potato feeds the cutting. So in summary, with those tips added, I think you could pull off this technique in rooting a rose and a potato. If you had a few months to try this out, go ahead and give it a try, then share your experience down below in the comments. Would love to hear your feedback and your results. Make sure to subscribe for more creative gardening techniques like this one, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.